Optimizing your microbiome, keys to gut health and wellness. Gut health is a topic of growing interest as research uncovers the remarkable influence our gut microbiome has on overall well-being. The gut microbiome, a vast community of microorganisms residing in our digestive system, plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. Nurturing a healthy microbiome is essential for maintaining optimal well-being. In this article, we will delve into the importance of gut health, explore strategies for nurturing a thriving microbiome, and provide practical tips for improving overall well-being through gut health optimization. Section 1. Understanding the gut microbiome. Definition and composition of the gut microbiome. The symbiotic relationship between the microbiome and human health. The impact of a healthy microbiome on digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Section 2. Factors affecting gut health. The role of diet in shaping the microbiome. The influence of lifestyle factors such as stress, sleep, and exercise on gut health. The impact of medications, including antibiotics, on the microbiome. Section 3. Nurturing a healthy microbiome. The importance of a diverse and balanced microbiome. Incorporating fiber-rich foods to support gut health. Exploring prebiotics and probiotics as tools for microbiome nourishment. Section 4. Diet and gut health. The gut-healthy foods to include in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods. The harmful foods to limit or avoid, such as processed foods, added sugars, and artificial additives. The benefits of mindful eating and the impact of chewing and digestion on gut health. Section 5. Lifestyle practices for gut health. Stress management techniques, including meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. The importance of regular exercise for gut health and overall well-being. Sleep hygiene practices and their role in supporting a healthy microbiome. Section 6. Gut health and immune system. The connection between the gut microbiome and immune function. Strategies for supporting a robust immune system through gut health optimization. The impact of gut dysbiosis on autoimmune diseases and allergies. Section 7. Gut-brain axis, gut health and mental well-being. The bidirectional communication between the gut and the brain. The role of the microbiome in mood regulation and mental health. Strategies for promoting mental well-being through gut health optimization. Section 8. Gut health for children and infants. The importance of early microbiome development in children. Breastfeeding and its role in shaping the infant microbiome. Tips for promoting gut health in children, including introducing diverse foods and reducing exposure to unnecessary antibiotics. Gut-brain connection. The gut and the brain communicate through the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication network. This means that the health of our gut can influence our mental and emotional well-being. Imbalances in the gut microbiome have been linked to conditions such as anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Gut health and inflammation. A healthy gut helps regulate inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to a range of health issues, including inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. By maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, we can help reduce inflammation and support overall wellness. Gut health and nutrient absorption. The gut is responsible for absorbing nutrients from the food we eat. When the gut is healthy and functioning optimally, it can effectively absorb essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. However, an imbalanced or compromised gut microbiome may hinder nutrient absorption, leading to nutrient deficiencies and related health problems. Gut health and allergies. Emerging research suggests that gut health plays a role in the development of allergies and intolerances. A disrupted gut microbiome can contribute to a compromised immune system, making individuals more susceptible to allergic reactions. By supporting a healthy gut, we may help reduce the risk of allergies and intolerances. Gut health and autoimmune conditions. Autoimmune conditions occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells in the body. The gut microbiome plays a critical role in regulating immune function and maintaining immune tolerance. Imbalances in the gut microbiome can trigger or exacerbate autoimmune conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, celiac disease, and multiple sclerosis. Gut health and long-term health. Research suggests that maintaining a healthy gut microbiome may have long-term health benefits beyond digestion. A balanced gut microbiome has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and certain types of cancer. Gut health and antibiotics. While antibiotics are essential for treating bacterial infections, they can also disrupt the balance of the gut microbiome. Antibiotics may eliminate both harmful and beneficial bacteria, potentially leading to gastrointestinal issues, such as diarrhea or yeast overgrowth. Taking probiotics or following strategies to restore and support the gut microbiome after antibiotic use can help mitigate these effects.